Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add order tracking page on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is you can actually head over and just click on this orders. So for this one on this tutorial, let me just head over and see what it looks like. So what we can do next is we need to click on this apps right here and search in here for order track. So what we can do is you can click on search order tracking in Shopify App Store. And then from in there, you should be able to see some apps that can allow order tracking for Shopify right here. I actually recommend this parcel panel order tracking. So let's click on this one right here. Once you have clicked on that, click on install right here. And then once you have clicked on install, it will ask for access for your Shopify store. So in here, you can just wait for that to load in order to ask or grant this permission for your Shopify store. So as you can see, it is loading and it does redirect it to admin.shopify.com. Click on install right here in order to grant permission. Then once you have done that, you should be able to add this specific thing on your Shopify store. Now, once you have added this application, you should be able to see it right here. So in here, you can see here the parcel panel, which is the dashboard for your Shopify. So in here, they have a quick setup guide. You can add a tracking page. URL is right here. So if you want to add this, just click on this add tracking page, and then this will open a new window. So on this new window, it will enable this menu to be added in here. It will be redirected to the navigation right here. And then once you have navigated to that, you actually see all of these things right here. So click on this main menu. And on this menu right here, you can click on add menu item. So its name is track your parcel. Then in here, we need to just paste a link. So you can search in here for parcel tracking, but you can also just copy this link and then just paste it right here. And then once you have pasted it, you can just click on this and then click on add in here. Now, whenever a customer just click on this one, you should be able to track their actual container in there. So let's see what our store looks like right now. So we have our store right here. We have here the tracker parcel. So when you click on that, you can actually see that we have here the order number as well as the full email or the tracking number, and they can actually track the order through here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.